What is up, epic gamers? Are you thirsty? Cause I know I'm feeling a little thirsty. It's been like 100 degrees outside every day. You know what's good for a thirsty day? Or for a hot day? Drinks. And who better to show us these drinks than my boy Steve Minecraft. Now, we do got a little addition going on, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be, with a little help from Steve Minecraft, we're gonna be making like 6 drinks. I don't know the exact figure. We're gonna start off with something a little crazy. Just a little crazy. The Creeper Clans. So let's get to getting, you know what I'm saying? There's some water. The coconut variety. We're just gonna get some lemon juice. Squeeze from a lemon, I promise. Some spinach. You might be saying, whoa, there, Mr. Gamer Cook. That's gross. Yes, sir. So we're also gonna get a green apple. 1 green apple. We're also gonna need to get us celery. Sponsored by Dole. Not really. Don't quote me on that one. Ginger root. Now here's the little thing. We don't know what a ginger root is, but I got this powder, so that's pretty cool. We're gonna be using this. We're gonna need honey. Here's some honey. If you don't have honey, you can't do this. Stop watching. So this little contraption thing we're going. So now we got our little cup going now. From our boys Ninja Fortnite, my boy. We're gonna take our little coconut water, you know. Nice. Sound working with me right now. There you go. No more. One cup. We're gonna put it in there. 1 cup is in there. Now we're gonna take the juice of 1 lemon. 1/4 cup. Seems like a whole lot of cup. That's this many cup. That's a lot of cup. This is a real lemon, I promise you. All right, we're gonna take some spinach in the dry one. I did not. We're gonna put it. So we're packing the spinach in there so we can fit a lot of spinach in there. I don't know why. We gotta put the whole green apple. We got 1 Granny Smith apple. Shouts out my girl, Granny Smith. What's going on? I don't know if it wants me to take the skin off. I'm assuming yes. But we're gonna live life a little crazy, alright? Don't use this. Proper holding materials or stance. So what we're gonna do is take 1 small knob ginger roots. I don't know about you, this looks like a knob to me. 1 tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. This is a tablespoon, right? We're gonna fill it with honey. Get out of there, bro. We might need to use you later. You know what they always say? Dirty kitchen's a dirty kitchen. You already better clean it up. Now that you have destroyed your concoction, you're almost done. Go on, take your thing. Get yourself a cup. We're gonna take this red cup. Porridge. Is it leaking? Oh, she's leaking. That's on purpose. Well, the good news is, you know, it's going everywhere except the cup. That's it. That's all we're getting, bro. It's just slop. This is so nasty, bro. Alright guys, welcome to the Creeper Clans. I don't think creepers would I don't think anyone should eat this. Don't eat this. Drink it. Sorry. Bombs up. On the chicken scale, I'm getting that a 2 out of 10 on the chicken scale. Too much solid. I don't want to be drinking in solid, all right? We're going to be making, with the help of Mr. Steve Minecraft, potion of night vision. That's right. You're going to be able to see in the dark. We're going to take our little bit of this, and this is the first ingredient. Let me try it. That's a solid, like, that's a solid. Should I not have put it in the refrigerator? Oh, you shouldn't have put it in the fridge. It's literally a solid. I don't know what we're gonna do with the rest of this, but that's okay. We're starting off fresh. We're starting off. Oh, that's consistency. Dear mine, welcome to Gamer Cooks, where every episode we do at least one thing wrong. And on this episode specifically, we're gonna do a lot of things wrong. We're gonna take our scissors. Don't run with these things. Caesar. Don't do that either. Just a little tutorial tip when you're getting the banana in the freezer, make sure it's peeled. Otherwise let's just make sure it's peeled, alright? So what we're gonna do is take this little concoction, little numminess, right? And we're gonna do what we did last time. Power on. Drink. Cup. Pour. Now, last step. Dash a nutmeg on the top. Boom. Who's ready to see in the dark? 8 minutes of night vision. Bombs up, baby. That's so bad, I'm bumping the other one. Last one, 4 out of 10 on the chicken scale. This one, 2 out of 10 on the chicken scale. Oh, this is bad. Let's go to the dark, see if it works. Welcome to the bathroom. I can't even see, bro. We got our girlfriend, Mr. Cookie Colas. What we're going to need is fill a shaker with, we're gonna make our own shaker. Right, we're gonna take a cup, right? Check me out. Boom. Bam. Bam. Bada bop boom. Pow, we got ourselves a shaker, baby. Do I look like a bartender? I should. That answer was yes. We're gonna get our ice cube. What home did you say? They don't say how many. We're gonna put them in. We're gonna put a few in there. Some few ice cubes. Pour a little bit of yeast. Oh, does that look like enough yeast? Oh yes. You take our shaker cup, yeast, shake with plate, because you don't have shaker because you are poor. This. I filled the glass halfway full with some icicles. Now that we got a clean strainer, we're gonna strain some of this bars. Huh. You better stop, you better not. Bro, don't do it. All right. Did any of it flap? I don't like the word I just used. That's a little too much. Just put a little Coca-Cola. Mmm. Not supposed to be Coca-Cola. Alright, now? Oh, take a look at this sodium water popping in a bottle with a little bit of stuff on the top, you know what I'm saying? Holy macaroni, bro. This right here, I couldn't exactly taste all of it because I had a whole face full of whipped cream. But you know what? I rate this one 9 out of 10 on a chicken scale. Today we just killed 38 slimes. So today we're gonna take their balls and put it in a tea. Let's go. You're gonna need to take 2 tablespoons of some water. Get some epic appetite shot of running water, you know what I'm saying? Whip boom. That's a very, don't worry about that. I just, give me a little drip. All right, so now we got 1 tablespoon. Ladies and gentlemen, we're getting a smaller bowl. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to restart the process. Secret about water, they always tell you to soak it, right? You just rub. You got stain, you just rub. Everywhere. The bigger the stain you're making it, the better it's gonna be to clean out later. They call me Morton Gamsey. Take a guess how much this little bag was. This thing was like 16 bucks, bro. It's... You don't drink this, bro. Tell me you don't drink. Tell me you drink this right now. You're wrong. So we're gonna put this on in the background. A little... Those are Tapacoca Loco pearls. We're gonna be, I'm a take and dump, you know? I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be clear, but like... Who gives a clear? It's supposed to be clear, but you know what? I don't give a hoot, right? I live life on the edge. Pour the milk. Get that money shot. Looking like a boss. I'm spilling. Put it into the mixture. We're gonna put the matcha, right? We definitely did the pearl wrong. I mean, everything's working right. I don't want to eat one of these things. It tastes good. Besides the balls. My rating on the chicken scale. It's so good. 9 out of 10 on the chicken scale. Only thing that hurts it is I don't think those are supposed to be white. So I don't think I should eat them. First, we have the potion of Turtle Master. We're gonna beat a turtle's master, baby. What we're going to need lies in the garage. We're gonna take our bloody scoop off, right? We need 2 cups of chocolate ice cream. In my opinion, the greatest flavour, right? We're gonna switch back to the Australian accent. Even when I'm an Australian accent, I can still say it right. Did you know that Australia's national bird is the pecan? Don't quote me on that one. How many milks? How many milks? Take a guess. How many milks? How many milks? 1 milk, 2 milks, 3 milks? Half a milk. Bars. I'm driving like I'm in the movie Cars. Oh. I was just snacking on some pecans. Alright, so now that we got everything boiled, Matt, blended. Taste test. This right here, 10 out of 10 on the chicken scale. For our next drink product, we're gonna need a little bit of one of these things. I don't know how to say that. So basically, we're gonna need a small bowl. I don't know how to get regular just tea. I got little bags of tea, so what we're gonna do is perform a little surgery. Now we do a little surgery. We're gonna put in the teaspoon. So now we're gonna pause dumping. Okay, let's get messy. Okay, anyway. Now we're gonna close her up. Now we're gonna lock her in place for 3 to 5 minutes. That means that it's working. So we got the TNT going on. I've been doing the, you know, with the people with the bags and the tea, they're all like, J-Moy, I better get my bloody tea and crumpets. That's me. Let me give her a little taste test, you know what I'm saying? That tastes bad and like nothing all at the same time. I'm going to rate this on the chicken scale a blank out of 10. Because I don't know. This is my shaker. Official licensed shaker. We're gonna put 15 bluebies in there. 1, 2, 15. Yay! We got them all in there. Let's get. We got some mint leaves from Georgia. Let's go. I don't know how much ice, but we're gonna. 1 ounce of lime juice. That's it. That's not bad. Officially licensed by the Sugar Company of America. And we're gonna. And now we're going to strain. Look at this juice. There's some bits in there. That's gross. Right now, we're gonna take our I am extremely worried. Are you ready for the taste test? Okay. This right here, this is okay. This right here, let's go 6 out of 10. We should take a look at that. We just went through 6 drinks. Some of these drinks were bad. They were all bad. I don't want no leaves in my drinks. So you know what I'm gonna stick to? My girlfriend is sure. Just make sure, kids. Remember, stay hydrated. And don't listen to Steve Minecraft. He don't know how to make drinks, bruh.